We'll guide you through how to make animation slide for presentation in Adobe XD. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Locate Adobe XD on your PC by navigating to the Start menu, search bar, or desktop shortcut. Then double-click Adobe XD to open the application. When the home screen appears, click New File to start a new project. Then choose a desktop artboard size that is suitable for presentations and aligns with your intended display resolution and screen format. Rename the first artboard as Slide 1 in the Layers panel, so the structure of the presentation is clearly organized from the beginning. Design the content for the first slide by inserting text elements, adjusting typography settings, and placing images carefully within the layout area. Select the artboard and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Then rename the duplicated artboard as Slide 2 to maintain a clear and logical sequence. Modify object positions, sizes, or opacity on Slide 2 to create visible changes that will animate between slides. Keep the same layer names for animated objects on both slides so Auto-Animate can correctly recognize and link matching elements. Repeat duplicating artboards for all presentation slides until the entire slide sequence is fully created. After all slides are ready, click the Prototype tab to begin creating slide interactions. Select Slide 1 and drag the blue arrow to Slide 2 to link the slides together. Set the trigger to tap or time based on how the transition should occur during playback. Set the action to auto-animate to enable smooth movement between slides. Adjust the duration to control animation speed and choose an easing option for smoother transitions. Click Desktop Preview to test the animation flow across all slides. Adjust object positions or timing if the animation feels wrong during playback. Save the file and use Preview mode for presentation.